$3.28 million. That's what's in this Phantom wallet right now, and it all came from launching Memecoins on repeat. Stick around, I'm showing you the exact playbook right now. I was stuck in the cycle. Buy high, get rugged, repeat. Every meme coin I chased ended in the same way, losses. Then I stopped chasing and started creating. Now I launch the coins, I bring the hype, and I decide when to pull profit. No more being exit liquidity. If you're still trading meme coins, you're playing the wrong role. Start launching, that's how the real money's made. Shh! By the way, this video was made for educational purposes only, so please don't tell anyone, and all this is cap. Now, the problem with Pump.Fun is oversaturation. Thousands of tokens drop every single day, flooding the feed and burying your launch before it even gets seen. Plus, you don't control your own liquidity, so even if your coin takes off, you are stuck on the sidelines. But with Create tokens.io though, your token goes straight to Raydium. It's instantly graduated and buyers can trade it right away. You keep full control over the liquidity and the project itself, giving you real visibility and real fucking profits. Now on Create tokens.io, you've got two clean ways to launch a coin. The first option is to build from scratch. So find a meme or narrative that's hot. Okay, you can go on Twitter for that to find good narratives. X. And it could be literally anything, right? And then give your coin a name, a ticker symbol, and upload a 128 by 128 logo, and then hit create and you're done. But the second option, that's my personal favorite, and it's the most profitable. The Copy Trending Coins tab. This feature posts tokens already buzzing on Pump.Fun. They already have volume, traffic, and buyers chasing them. Copying your coins here pushes them instantly to Raydium, which means you'll see instant buyers and bigger profit potential right from the start. Just watch and learn, okay? And by the way, both methods work, but I would highly recommend to copy a coin. Anyways, enough talking, let's jump straight into launching this coin right now. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected to the site. Then click the button right here to have all the new fresh coins. Hello. Boom, and we're gonna copy the Mog coin. It looks really decent. It has a 35k market cap, one reply, and a last buy 5 seconds ago, so that's not bad. Create coin. Oh my god. Then you will get a warning from Phantom. It's completely normal. Just go through it and continue. Proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. Then the coin should be created. You just have to be patient. Boom, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step is simple. We're setting liquidity so people can instantly buy and sell your token on Raydium. Now for the amount token A, click this button right here, which is 90%. That's gonna drop 900 million tokens into the pool. For the amount token B, it's basically your own first buy. You're not losing money here. You're just seeding the pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and you'll get that back later once you pull liquidity out. So I'm gonna put 0.35 Solana. Make sure you have enough in your wallet, and once again you are not losing that money. Then create pool, and then click on confirm. After that, simply click on refresh, and if you scroll down, boom, the Mog coin is now live. We are up $0 obviously, but if you re-click on refresh once again, now our profits are at $159. Now click on view on photon to see the complete and final chart. Just give it a bit of time for it to load. Let me go on full screen for you guys. And now, as you guys can see, the chart has loaded. All we have to do from now on is wait and watch the chart spike. Hopefully, it will go up because it is being pushed out on the Raydium DEX, which means more and more people are gonna see it by the second. Just watch and learn. But anyways, be right back. Okay, I am back. Looks like we are at a 1.5k market cap, 75 transactions, and bro, it's really fucking volatile. It looks like we are in an uptrend, right? But anyways, now I think it's time to, cash out profits and make some money. So come back to the site, and first of all, we're gonna refresh to see where we're at. Okay, boom, we're up $1,500. Now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the liquidity. Oh my god. And as you guys can see, I am up 8-0, then click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you create a sale on the Memecoin and make $1,500. If I open my Phantom wallet, boom, 1.5k straight inside my wallet.